Hey guys, so today we're going to be making slime with my mom for the first time. So I'm going to get our glue. And we're going to pour my mom's glue. I'm not going to use a lot.
Aquí ella es la profesional, ¿ok? Yo nada más soy su ayudante. Vamos a tratar de que nos salga lo más bonita que se pueda y con la mejor textura. A ver cómo sale. Esperemos que bien, ¿ok?
Okay, so now we're just going to mix the glue. Now we're going to add our food dye. Which color do you want, burgundy or green?
Green.
Okay, burgundy. Now I'm just gonna be right back. Okay, now we're gonna be adding our food coloring with a straw. So this is my mom's, so just gonna clean the sides and then we're just gonna dip it in. And we're just gonna add food coloring to my mom's and then we're done.
Ok, ahora lo vamos a mixtear. El glue con el food coloring. So mix.
Okay. And then we add our solution.
What kind of solution? A solution?
Look at her
Dedos.
finger.
Al mío, ponle solution. Ok, vamos a mixtear otra vez. Ya está agarrando otra clase de textura.
So we're gonna add more solution to mine because mine's a little bit sticky.
Mine is a little bit sticky too.
Okay.
Ok, vamos otra vez a tratar de que agarre, que ya no esté tan sticky, que agarre una textura muy bonita.
And then I'm gonna start playing with mine and so with my mom. It doesn't matter if it's sticky.
Miren la mía, qué bonita quedó. ¿No le vas a adherir nada más?
No, you're just gonna have to mix it in. You're gonna have to knead it with your hands.